Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to level up your charting game in TradingView and want a fast, practical way to mark important levels, add reminders, or just jot down your trading thoughts right on your charts, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add custom text notes to your TradingView charts and how to make them stand out in a style that fits your workflow. This is a simple trick, but trust me, it can seriously boost your analysis and help you stay organized, whether you're day trading, swing trading, or just reviewing your ideas. Let's jump right in. So the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the drawing panel inside TradingView. You'll usually find this panel along the left-hand side of your chart. If you hover there, you'll see a bunch of powerful tools traders use all the time: lines, shapes, fibs, and of course text. If you don't spot it straight away, look for a little T icon. That's your text tool. It's kind of like using virtual sticky notes for your chart, and it's perfect for labeling support and resistance levels, reminding yourself of trade ideas, or making quick notes for later review. Once you've clicked the text tool, your cursor will change, and you now get to decide exactly where you want your note to appear. Just click anywhere on the chart, maybe right at a critical price level near a breakout point or next to a trade entry. Take your time here and choose a spot that makes sense. Remember, strategic placement not only keeps your chart looking clean, but also makes it easier to spot your notes when you really need them. After you've placed your text box, a pop-up window will appear inviting you to type in your custom note. This is where you can get creative and specific. Write a quick reminder such as "watch for breakout here, possible reversal zone," or even just your thought process behind a trade. These notes are for you, so make them as detailed or as simple as you like. Don't be afraid to leave mental breadcrumbs for your future self. You'd be surprised how helpful these can be when you revisit the chart later. Now here comes the fun part: customization. Once you've entered your text, take a moment to adjust how it looks. You can change the color, tweak the font size, or even set a background color to make that note really pop. For example, you might use bright red for warnings, green for go signals, or keep things simple with classic black. I like to match my note colors to my trading strategy, for instance, red for stop loss, blue for target, things like that. Don't worry if it takes you a moment to find your perfect style. This process is all about making your workflow clearer and helping your analysis jump out at a glance. And that's really it. Adding and customizing text in TradingView is super straightforward, but it's a feature that a lot of traders overlook, especially when they're just starting out. Remember, neat, well-placed notes can turn a messy chart into a powerful trading journal, and you might just thank yourself next time you're scanning your old trades for insights. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you have any questions about TradingView tools, or you want to share your favorite ways to use chart notes, drop a comment below so we can all learn together. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical step-by-step trading tips just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.